A balloon is ascending vertically with an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. Two stones are dropped from it at an interval of 2 seconds. Find the distance between them 1.5 second after the second stone is released. Use g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So if I assume that there is a balloon over here and there is a first stone, okay, which is dropped, okay, when the velocity of the balloon is equal to u. As it is ascending upwards, the balloon reaches a certain point, okay, in 2 seconds. In 2 seconds the balloon reaches a certain point where its velocity is equal to v, and another stone is dropped from this point, okay. Now whenever a body is released from a moving body, okay, suppose a stone is released from a moving balloon, it means that the stone will acquire the velocity of the balloon and not the acceleration, okay. The stone will acquire the velocity of the balloon and not the acceleration. So the first stone, the initial velocity will be equal to u, which is in the vertically upward direction, okay, and the second balloon has the initial velocity v, which is also in the vertically upward direction. So now we have to find out the distance between them 1.5 seconds after the second stone is released. Now let us first calculate for the first stone, okay. The first stone, the initial velocity is equal to u. We have to calculate 1.5 seconds after the second stone is released. We have to find out the distance between them 1.5 seconds after the second stone is released. It means that the first stone is traveling for 2 seconds between the first stone and the second stone is released, plus additional 1.5 seconds, that is after the second stone is released it has to travel 1.5 seconds. So now let us calculate the displacement of the first stone. We will use the formula s is equal to ut plus half at square. So s1 will be equal to initial velocity is equal to u into t. Now the t over here is equal to 2 plus 1.5, which is equal to 3.5 ut, okay, minus half at square, minus half a t square, okay, minus half a t square, which is equal to minus half into 9.8 into 3.5 the whole square, okay. Let this be as it is. Let this be the first equation and let it be as it is, okay. So this is the first equation over here, okay, and let it be as it is. This is the equation for the first stone. Now let us calculate the equation for the second stone. Let us calculate the equation for the second stone. Similarly, the second stone is traveling for two different intervals. Between 0 to 2 seconds, it is accelerating upwards with an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. So the displacement in that case, will be equal to u into t. Now the t over here is equal to 2 seconds plus half a t square, that is half a acceleration is equal to 0.2 meter per second square into t square. Now the t square over here will be equal to 2 square, okay. This is the first section that it is traveling for 2 seconds, plus now after that now this is the first section where it goes from this position to this position over here. After that, for 1.5 seconds, now the initial velocity is equal to v. Now the initial velocity v in terms of u can be written as u plus at, that is u plus at, okay. A over here is equal to 2 into t over here is equal to 0.2, okay, u plus at, okay. This is the initial velocity, okay, into time, okay, into time. Now the time period is equal to 2 seconds, okay. Now the time period is equal to 2 seconds, ut plus half a t. Now this is the the time period over here is equal to 1.5 seconds, okay. Now it is traveling for 1.5 seconds, plus or minus over here it will be equal to half gt square, that is 9.8 into 1.5 the whole square, okay. Let this be the second equation. We have to find out the difference between them. We have to find out the difference between these two time intervals, okay. Now over here if I simplify this part, s2, it will be equal to u into 2 is equal to 2u plus 1.5u, which is equal to 3.5u, okay. This is 3.5u. I will add both of them, okay, plus 0. This is equal to 0.4, okay, 0.4, okay, half 0.2 into 4 divided by 2 will be equal to 0.4, okay, plus over here it will be equal to 2 into 0.2 is equal to 0.4, 0.4 into 1.5 will be equal to 0.6 minus half a t square, okay, which is equal to half into or let it be equal to 4.9 into 1.5 square will be equal to 2.25. Okay, now basically let this be the third equation, or let this be the second equation, or let this be the third equation. I have simplified the second equation itself. Now I have to find out the displacement between them. So basically I have to subtract S2 minus S1. Okay, so S2 minus S1 will be equal to 3.5u, and 3.5u will get cancelled out. Okay, it will be equal to 0.4 plus 0.6, which is equal to 1. Okay, minus 4.5 into 4.9, sorry, 4.9 into 2.25, 2.25. Okay, minus this will be equal to plus. Okay, minus this will be equal to plus 4.9 into 3.5 square. Okay, into 3.5 square will be equal to 12.25. So basically it will be equal to 1 minus 4.9 into 4.9 into, it will be equal to, I will take this common, to 12.25 minus 2.25 will be equal to 10. So basically it will be equal to, this will be minus will be equal to plus. Okay, so basically it will be equal to 40, it will be equal to 49 plus 1, which will be equal to 50 meters. Now the distance between them after 1.5 seconds after the first stone is released will be equal to 50 meter.